Gaga. Poop.
I wanna live, I wanna die, I wanna flee, I'm gonna die. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Gaga. Ow. Ito po mga dastas. Ano ba dastas? Shut the fuck? Zion is a go-go gaga.
What the?
Happy? I
What the? Guys, can you hear this? Shaya, 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 Shaya. Chuk, chuk.
Yeah. I'm gonna puke.
What the? Oh my God, he's the boss baby. Takbo!
Boss baby.
Get in your horses, takbo!
Yeah, don't worry, I'll take you.
What the?
Run away, your head.
Chu, 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 chu.
Boss baby. Here. Oi, wahoo, Jimmy, los dugi mo to
Oh.
Immortal is not real. Shut the fuck up. Yo, naalala mo ginagawa mo sa akin yung hospital bed? Gawin mo kaya kay Zion. Dali. Oh my God! Immortal is your dad. Sinabihin ko si Zion, immortal is your dad.
Ano, R.I.P. ugly.
Don't follow me.
What the hell?
Don't follow me. Baka.
Hey, yo. You are sus, you two. You are sus, you two.
Let's go, soldiers. Let's go, soldiers. Zion won't annoy me. Dude, can you ban Zion? Guys! Bro! Guys! Boy! Dude, Japanese soldier. Bro thinks he's the commander, dude. I'm not the fucking commander because you're the asshole.
I forgot to fucking lock my door house.
Breaking.
Guys, this will be a long channel.
At the house? What the break?
Ano break in?
Breaking Bad.
Zara.
Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad.
Ano Breaking Bad?
Breaking Bad.
What the hell? He's a I'm a fucking princess.
Who the hell?
I'm the fucking princess. I'm a fucking princess. Hey yo. Hey yo, let's.
Is that Zion? That's TV, man. Just continue being Japanese soldier.
Okay. Get the fuck out of here, clothes.
Stop being a Russian. Are you not waiting for me?
Ano pangalan yung Japanese clothes? Meiji.
M-E-I-J-I.
Meiji.
She's going to retire to the new commander. She's going to boy.
Wait guys, I will come back. Meiji.
Meiji.
What the fuck? E-I-J-I. Meiji. Okay, I'm back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm a Japanese soldier now.
Bro, that's a TV man. Okay, Commander, can you ban this girl and TV man? No brainwash allowed it. Full of guns. Full of guns. Full of guns to you.
Ay! Ang tawa naman!
They are my friends, so you invade. Tinatawagan niya the full of gun to hit you.
What the hell? I just saw a horse. Commander, where the hell are you putting that horse?
Sa loob. Secret base yan. Oy, ban nyo lahat ng mga Oy, ban nyo yung babae tapos yung TV man.
Temota!
Oy, Commander, iban mo yung babae pumupunta sa bahay natin. Bilis, ban mo yung babae. Be careful. Ban that girl. Bro. You fucking crap. Put at the freaking crap in my base. Dude, oh my god. Please don't talk about it.
Guys, stop up!
Just ban this girl. Dude, just ban this girl.
So you shut up. Sumo Godzilla! Commander.
No! Commander, I'll unfriend you. Listen to my shit. Talking more to nigga.
Hey, yo!
Listen to my penis. Listen to my penis.
I have a sniper!
Commander. Guys, stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. For apat na Japanese soldiers.
Johan, how did I got this skin? How did I got this?
I'm going to give them one of radio. The kid who loves gun. At tingnan mo. PJ, tingnan mo yung chat niya. Sabi niya, the kid who loves guns to the kid who loves guns to eat guns.
Hey, yo!
So sabi daw, the kid who loves guns to the kid who like the kid that like eat guns. What the fuck?
Commander, someone said a bad word.
Waki, maging Japanese soldier ka. Maging Japanese soldier, yay! Black na.
Who is it?
Black name outfit. Position. Guys, position.
What is it?
Guys, position. Guys, position. Ay, diba? Diba ka dapat yung sabi nun? Oh, Waki, bilis! Waki, pumunta ka dyan! Dude, bilis! Nandiyan pala si Waki. Waki, bilis! O si Pete, napafloat niya.
Commander, what are we going to do?
PJ, just let Waki in. Go downstairs. Go downstairs now or else. Hey, come on, Waki, get in. Waki, get in. Waki, get in. I told you to get in. Waki, get in. Accept. Waki, accept.
Can I friend you?
Oh! PJ, why did you close the fucking door? Waki, come on.
Can I friend you?
Come on. Oh my god, PJ, I need to go in. PJ, you need to go in. Waki needs me. Come on, open the fucking door. One of our soldiers got injured. Yeah. Dude, don't ban that. It's just a bad kid. Bro, someone said this stuff. Oh my god.
Injured. Injured.
Oh my god. Injured? Don't worry, Johan. Back at you, Waki. Come on, Waki. In! Bro, go in, dude. Commander says, thanks, Commander. PJ, sabi mo position. Sabi mo position sa chat while screaming. For ano yung position? His friend is injured, so I'm going to take him. Commander says position. Position. Guys, line up. Now. Commander says position. Waki, come on. Oh my god. Commander says where are the other Japanese soldiers?
Fall in line.
Okay.
Where's the commander?
Sabihin mo nga ulit.
Johan, I asked your friend, can I friend you? And he said no. My age is 90.
Nine.
Alright, P.
Come on, open mo yung pinto. Lion. Lion down. Sabi daw lion. Sabi ko lion. More stopping you. Lion. Lion. That's what we do. Waki, come on.
Commander, what are we going to do?
Open the door. Commander, open the door. Waki's in there. Waki's in there, you bastard.
Inchy.
Lion.
I got mine. Everyone, follow the commander.
Everyone, follow the commander. Everyone, follow the commander. It's for premium. It's for bro. Sabi niya it's for premium. Only black horse are allowed. Guys, dapat black kayo. Black. Japanese war.
Get your guns. Also get your guns. Also get your guns.
They got them. Sasabihin mo na black horse are allowed. Dali kayo black horse are allowed.
Get anything you can go. Get anything you can grab.
Ayan na mga Furious 5.
3. Go. Women sniper.
Only black horse. I want to be the Neptunian. Only black horse. Allowed? Or allowed? The black horse allowed.
Here's some free. Bye-bye, Pulakap. Bye-bye, Aswang. Then who's going to go to cannon?
May naiwan mo. Guys, may naiwan nyo. Oy, commander.
I almost fall.
Paano naman, commander? Hindi mo na naman.
Ay, naiwan na ako!
Iwanan mo ko. Hindi mo na kanina ako.
Cannons! Commander!
Fucking Furious 4.
Wow, no! Commander!
Commander, wait. Alam mo, commander.
Puta!
Iniwanin mo ako eh. Iniwanin niyo yung mga apat. Iniwanin niyo yung mga apat. Tingnan mo, apat na. May putik. Hindi sama kayo lahat. Dude, kapurgat niyo. Dude, kapurgat. Ang tanga mo, commander. Hindi ka alam. Nahulog eh. Nahulog ka mo.
Ay, andito na ako, Commander!
Shut the hell up if you want to drive like a maniac. Get up then. Sabi ko, pura ka pura.
Buro, nangusulog na ako.